Using Apple gift card on Pokémon GO is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple gift card on Pokémon GO. All the process is pretty simple. First you need to get your Apple gift card phones into your Apple Pay. So for that you have to open up your App Store app and then you have to tap on your profile. After that tap on redeem gift card record and then use the camera to scan the card, or you can enter the code manually once your fonts are added into your Apple Pay. What you have to do is you have to open up your Pokémon GO app, go to the store and make a purchase. Whenever you tap on make up purchase, the first thing will pop up your Apple Pay as a payment method. We just have to select that to make payments. The funds are from the Apple gift card that you retained before. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can do it. Hope you guys find this with a helpful.